see why in this blanket. Yes, I did painstakingly make this myself. So, okay, yes. Today we are going to be doing Halloween pranks. There's not really much else to say about that. It's just that we're doing them. Okay, well, let's get into the Halloween pranks. Let's be creative. Let's go. Okay, first step to this prank is you'll need your phone and just open your camera. Put it on selfie mode, and then you're just gonna take a creepy picture of you, okay? Just don't mind my face. Maybe something like that, or I like to do this sometimes. Just use your feet as like a phone stand, and then because then you'll see, it'll make sense. Close like your timer on. Okay, now just look through the photos. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to email your selfie to yourself, and then get onto your computer, whatever is hooked up to the printer, and then print it off, and then come back to me, okay? Pause the video, do all that, and then come back to me, okay? Okay. Next, what you're gonna do is go to your bathroom and print. Well, you already have your paper printed off, but now you're just gonna tape it to your toilet. I tried to put it underneath, but mine wasn't big enough. But if yours is big enough, go ahead and do that. But what I did is just put it on my lid, and then just got some masking tape and taped it on, and then just spritzed it with water. Next, we're gonna do a fake hand cut prank kind of thing. So, sorry guys, it's early in the morning. Basically just draw a red line and then 2 black lines, and then just keep going over it until you get a wound like look kind of thing. So I got a darker red and then added it in the middle to make some more detail. If I had white, I'd put white in there, but I don't have any white gel pens or anything. And then you can also grab blue, like a dark blue, and just put that in there too, just to make it just a little bit more realistic. Hey Lisa, can you get this out for me?
Sure. You have the scissors?
Sure. For this next one, you are going to need a fake spider and some masking tape. So this first one, I just put the spider on with some just masking tape like that, but it didn't look very real. So what I did was took it off, and then I folded the masking tape up, put on the back of the spider. That way it looked more realistic. And then, yes, and Sadie's very scared of bugs, so this will be a great prank. Oh, I'm going to bed. Night. You know what? I think I'll read first. I'll get whoever did this back. This next one isn't very scary, but it's sure to weird someone out at least. So take a fake eyeball, plastic one, and a plastic cup, and just put the eyeball in the cup with water, and then give it to whoever wants it. Here you go. Thanks. This next one, just take a fake hand. This was a salad tong set, but I just took one of them. And then try to slide it under the door of your victim. But if it doesn't fit like mine did, just open the door a tiny bit, and then it will fit. Open the door a tiny bit, and then as you saw. Okay. And there's your prank. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, give it a like. Also, please check out my Instagram at SadiePinkLadybug. And don't forget to subscribe and tell all your friends to subscribe. Now, we have something to talk about just for a sec. The name change. As you can tell, it's not Sadie's World anymore. I changed it to Sadie Pink Ladybug. I'll give you 3 reasons. First off, Sadie Pink Ladybug matches my Instagram. I could always change my Instagram, but it matches my Instagram. So therefore, it is easier to, Sadie's World and Sadie Pink Ladybug, kind of 2 different things. So if you add the same thing, it's easier to remember. Second off, there are no other channels called Sadie Pink Ladybug. Therefore, it was open. Therefore, people could actually find my channel. And the third reason, it's easier for people if they're going to tell people about the channel if they just say Sadie Pink Ladybug instead of Sadie's World, because again, they have to scroll through all the things. And second off, if I tell you my channel is Sadie Pink Ladybug or someone else has to do that, it's easier to look up because we don't have to scroll through the channels. So we've had a great time with Sadie's World, but we'll have an even better time with Sadie Pink Ladybug. So Sadie's World, we shall think of it in our hearts. Rest in peace, Sadie's World. And now let's open to a bigger and better channel, Sadie Pink Ladybug. This is Sadie's World signing off, and Sadie Pink Ladybug signing in. Love you guys so much. Thank you for being so supportive for me and helping me with the change. Yes, I did post this on Instagram as a poll on my story to see which people liked better. So last I checked, Sadie Pink Ladybug won. So if you want to be a part of voting and that kind of stuff, I suggest you check out my Instagram at Sadie Pink Ladybug. I'll link it down below and in the corner. To subscribe to my channel, click here. And to watch my most recent video, click here. I love you all. Bye!